Alright, here's our airsoft field. Just CQB style. There's Kevin putting up a few of the bunkers, just makeshifting. It's not completely done, but we're getting there. There's our pillbox bunker and the Saddam hole. Don't ever get up in there. A lot of weeds and weeds. We still got to get materials to make more bunkers. Here's a long, I don't know what you guys want to call that. Long dirt pile, yeah. Some easy bunkers, we're not still done over there. Wind came through, knocked a shitload of the bunkers down. That's the field. We'll probably get it more updated, more material we get, more players we get to help us out. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.